Welcome to the Kirkland Kiwanis tutorial on how to link your Fred Meyer's Rewards card to the Community Rewards program. Before we really get started, take a moment to make sure you have your rewards card on hand. You may also use the phone number you used to sign up for the rewards card, but remember it may not be the same as your cell phone number. You can pause this video at any time. In your internet browser, search for Fred Meyer's Rewards. When you click on Create Your Account, you will be linked to the sign-up page where you can point your rewards card matching funds to the Kirkland Kiwanis. Here is the sign-up form. Fill out the information in this form, and in this space you can enter your Fred Meyer's Rewards card membership number, which appears on the back of your card, or that phone number you found. Click on Agree to the Fred Meyer's Terms and Conditions and hit Create an Account. Now you're ready to link your card to our foundation. Click Save in the upper menu. In the drop-down menu, click Fred Meyer's Community Rewards. Here is the Community Rewards page. Under the heading, Are You a Fred Meyer's Customer?, you'll see the Link Your Rewards Card. Link now. This is the way the Community Rewards page looks. In the search bar, type in Kirkland Kiwanis Foundation. And here we are. Look carefully to find the correct city club and click the blue Enroll button. You'll know you're successful when you see this page. Here is your donation summary with our organization number. Hooray! Everyone at Kirkland Kiwanis would like to thank you for helping us out and helping us help the children in Kirkland. If you would like to know more about programs that Kirkland Kiwanis supports, check out our website at kirklandkiwanisfoundation.org. And come to a meeting too. We'd love to meet you.